Stop scrolling! Discover why these Caribbean jewels are on everyone's 2024 travel list. First up, the Bahamas. With over 7 million visitors this year, it's the perfect blend of history, culture, and stunning beaches. Next, Jamaica. Known for its reggae rhythms and mouth-watering jerk chicken, it's a sensory paradise attracting 5.8 million travelers. Then we have the Dominican Republic, topping charts with 8 million visitors. From Punta Cana's luxury resorts to Santo Domingo's rich history, it's a diverse delight. Let's not forget Aruba, where 2 million sun-seekers bask in perfect weather and crystal-clear waters year-round. And finally, Puerto Rico. With 4 million adventurers exploring its vibrant nightlife, lush rainforests, and historic Old San Juan, it's a must-see. So what are you waiting for? These are the top islands that tourists flock to every year. Pack your bags and join the wave of travelers heading to these Caribbean islands in 2024. Your tropical adventure awaits. At Sun&Fun Travelers, we help you to make great vacation choices. Please like and subscribe to help us build our channel. Remember, researching destinations help you make better choices. See you on the islands.